open a package. I don't know how to open it. It's garbage. Everybody, today we're making this girl. My name is Ziggy, and this is child proof. We're not like not like bad YouTubers and stuff. This is child proof. Don't worry, we're okay. We don't do like bad stuff like other YouTubers do, like bad YouTubers. And bad YouTubers, don't be ashamed. We're not trying to. We're just telling the grown-ups. We're just not doing bad stuff. Okay. Let's get ready. Granny, can you read this for me? Don't pause it this time. You have to delete some big parts.
So this is the American Girl Kit Scooter.
And this is what she looks like.
Wow.
She's really cute.
It is cute. Meet Kit. Kit Kittredge is a clever girl growing up in 1934 during the Great Depression. She's an expert at finding creative ways to have fun. What can she do with an orange crate and old roller skates? Make a scooter, of course. Come on, Grace, Kit says to her dog. Let's go for a ride. And let's show, yes.
Granny, you really creepy.
Okay. Do you want me to cut that open?
Just to tell you, always ask a grown-up's permission.
For scissors, yes. And here.
And always do this.
No. Hey, no, you're going to break some of them. So we already built the girl. This is how you do it, step by step. They have a whole bunch of them. Those are kind of cute. Ooh, now a lot of instructions here how to build Grace's dog dish. Oh my goodness, can I do this? Ziggy, you can do it.
Oh my god, can you open this please?
Sure.
Okay, open it with scissors. The scissors are not good. Leave a subscribe for the stars. And hit the bell for notification when we're going to make another video. We're going to make another video about this girl. Just with a different style. Just to tell you, she came with a little star. I took it out of the box. And here's here's the other girls about it. You can see.
Lower it down. Because the camera's right here. Right here, at the bottom.
Let's start building her. Look. The doggy came out. Okay. 1 minute later.
Which one is this? Is this the dog dish?
Yeah, you just put her head on.
Oh, okay.
It's just really hard to put her head on. It's really hard to get her head on.
Here. The flower, you mean? The flower too.
Can you put her head on?
Okay.
Cause she's like,
oh, the doggy's head. It's the doggy's head. Look at it's cute. Oh, he's upside down.
Is it her? Not he.
A her. Okay. Oh, he's so cute. Hello. Hello.
Do that! You're bad. Puppy.
Puppy's cute.
Puppy. Puppy. So just to tell you, this is like Shaggy and Scooby-Doo. It's like, this is the girl of Shaggy and this is a girl of Scooby-Doo. Scooby-Doo! Like Zoink, Shaggy! Scooby! We gotta get their names all mixed up. Scooby-Doo! 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 Just to tell you, I love Scooby-Doo.
Grace's dog, does it have a name?
Yeah.
And then we got to make the dog dish. Where's the dog dish? Don't open them all at once.
The pink thing is the dog's dish.
Okay.
This is that. This is this package.
Okay.
I can't open it yet.
That's that one. All right. So you've got the.
Can I see the instructions?
You have this one. That's the one you have.
Okay. This one. Back. Daddy, I have to use secret like a TV. Here are all the girls. These are all the little girls.
Oh, the basket's back here.
What do we put in the basket? Okay, so okay. There's the red things there. We should put these eggs in here for now.
So the wheels go. This goes on top of the wheels.
Okay, let's put this here. It's a bit.
Just gotta line it up. Then turn it sideways, baby. There you go.
Okay, let's go. Don't call me baby.
Here, I'll try. Did you get it fit?
Okay.
And then you gotta put all the flour together.
Okay, so this came out of the backpack. I was having a sour in the back. Don't take my seat. My seat. It's sandwich. Do you want to be famous, Sice? Do you want to be on YouTube? YouTube people gonna see us. Yeah, I want to be on YouTube. Okay, so I just brush my hair.
Yeah, brush your hair.
I'll do this. It's my egg. Please don't touch anything. Okay, so let's get that thing.
Now we're making the scooter.
Yeah.
This one.
Hey, I can't see the instructions. Are you somewhere you left of that?
Oh, okay.
Because I was having a sour.
Okay.
So let's get your brush out of here. You're gonna knock these things down. But then then we're gonna use the pieces, and then we're gonna have to cancel this. Ah, my tool! I can't confuse it and make it different. I can't fit. I got 2 brothers, and I'm the only girl in my family.
So for your mom.
Yeah, but we're talking about children.
Okay.
I'm the only daughter in my family. It's my mom there, but I'm the only daughter of my family. Okay, so put the dog food in. I got 1 piece. Where's the other piece? Where's the other piece? Where are the other pieces?
Oh. The dog food is under the book.
I thought I was going to be on the chair.
Okay. So we have the bowl. That's smart, Ziggy, how you put them all in piles so you don't get them all mixed up.
Thanks.
Okay.
And that's it. For the doggy. The dog. Now. Oh. Thank you. Whoa, that's really cool. Okay. Try to be cute. Well, it's ready. Is it? No. No, it's not. The wheels. This goes like doing something. Okay, further. Are you almost done? You need some help? See, usually we do Legos, but we don't do the videos sometimes. And sometimes we put these little things together, and when we take them off, they're like crooked, and when we take them off, they like explode and turn to pieces. And they like break. Can you do it right now? I'm not the one who does them. Do it by yourselves. Okay. You guys have toffee. Can I get one toffee? No, those are not mine. Those are Yaya's. Can I take your toffees?
They're my trophies.
Yeah.
I won them. No, just leave them there. Okay.
Can you go?
Yes.
That can't kill me.
No, you're just sit down.
What? Okay, we're done the scooter.
Let's see the scooter. I'll zoom in.
We're
close.
not done the whole
Oh no, you're not done the whole thing. The base. Okay, then you got to put together the.
No, that's
This is goes. There's this
Okay,
little
let me-
piece on the scooter, like this.
So,
The front of the scooter.
one. Oh, bone. I know, don't touch it. Just don't touch it. Where is it? Don't touch it. The bone. Just don't touch it. It's on there. Okay, so let's get this today. Whoa. I want to see it. I want to see it. I really want to see it. This is the scooter. These are eggs. We're starting to go somewhere. Whee! Just to tell you, the doggy goes in this. Is he going to get the bone? The dog? The dog going to get the bone? Okay, let's make the house. House? Yeah, we need to do the house part. The house. But is he going to go get the bone? Shush. Stop. No, the bone's not in this yet. Okay. Get the wheels on. One, two.
I won that one too. Yeah, I won all those trophies.
And those ones over there.
Yep.
What? With all these trophies?
Mm-hmm. So how's it going now?
Great. Now it's going way.
So what part are you building?
The house.
The house? This one now?
Please tell me I don't mix it up.
Nope, that looks good.
Is it ready? No. I want someone. We're going. Is it on pause? My little baby brother gave me a little cookie. They said, "No more cake for you." It was so adorable. It doesn't help you. It's so adorable. I'm sorry, guys, I have to miss some of it because we had a problem with our phone. Because we had a little problem. So sorry, it's not our fault, it's the internet's fault. Jeez, so we're almost done. This video. Okay. Okay. We're so sorry we had to miss some of it. little baby brother gave me a little cookie. They said, "No more cake for you." It was so adorable. Who doesn't help you? It's so adorable.
Where's the bone go?
It goes here.
Oh.
And it also says we're supposed to attach this to. So you have to attach this to this, and then voila! It's flawless. That's okay. You're supposed to do that. So this is our little house. So, okay.
Wow, awesome. Are you all done?
Yeah, that's how it goes.
Good job. Was that lots of fun? So you'd recommend this as a thumbs up?
So press the bell button down there and subscribe and put a thumbs up for this video. If not, put a thumbs down if you don't like it. But not thumbs down because you did watch our thing. Because we're super sorry. We had problems with the internet. So yeah. And look, so these are the and thank yous. So these are what you can. You can get this at the place where we did get this.
Shoppers Drug Mart.
You got this at Shoppers Drug Mart. You could get these at Shoppers Drug Mart. It's all types of dolls of these. So bye. It's even it's these type of things, amazing, all types of cool stuff.
Awesome.
So yeah. So, and this is how you make her. This is a puppy, so yeah. Bye! Okay, hello guys. Sorry, this is a little commercial, a little short thing. Let me show you something. See, the puppy, see, you can get these. Remember I told you where you can get these from? Well, you see, if you make the whole thing, and you make the basket, you can put the puppy in the basket. You just have to put it sideways or something. And then if you put it in the basket, then the girl can hold it and you can play with it. Just to tell you, these are really old and they're from the 19s. Somehow, they look great. They were made in the 19s. They're called
American Girl.
American Girl dolls. Like, you know where we have now? The American dolls, they're like enormous. They're the same things as these, just Lego ones.